Hi guys, I'm here to show you a new updated feature in Nearpod. They have a video feature that they are beta testing, so all the kinks have not been worked out. But if you're familiar with Edpuzzle, where you have the interactive video, the students can stop and answer questions, that is what this video feature does in Nearpod. So Nearpod is really up in their game so that you can have access to that same type of content and feature that you would have in Edpuzzle right here in Nearpod. So let's take a look. So this is an example that I've already done. And if you haven't been in Nearpod lately, they are connected with Zoom now. So if you want to do live participation with your Zoom meeting, you can do live participation. If you want to do student pace, where the students can do it on their own, whether they're at home or in the class, they can still do a student pace lesson. Or you can do front end of class, which is basically the teacher led lesson where you're doing it live in class and you're leading your students. So let's look at the preview. So just like I said before, just like with Edpuzzle, as students are watching the video, they have questions that it will stop and ask them. So you see we have multiple choice questions and we have an open-ended question. We have 2 multiple choice and 3 open-ended. So I can teach it from here or I can preview it and I also can edit that video. And just like with other lessons in Nearpod, you can share with other teachers and you can also share this to Google Classroom. So it tells us that this is the preview. I can switch it to interactive mode or turn that off. But right here where these little dots are, that's where the questions are. So when you click on that, you see the actual question. Let me move my little face up here. So it says, what is a common mistake when writing a research paper? So as the video is going, they're listening, getting this information, then it stops and it asks them a question. Right here is another question. And you can, when you're editing the video, and I'm going to show you this in the next video, if you want to add your own questions, you can add the questions. If you want to move this question around, you can just take this and drag it to the point that you want it to be in when you're editing. So the students are able to get the content and able to answer questions right then on the spot to check their understanding of the content. So as I was saying, it shows you the questions, you see how long the video is, and I can just press play right from here.
In this lesson, you have learned how to write a research thesis statement by restating your big research.
And then it gives you a question. Now, this is one that I added to this video, and I give them opportunity to share the thesis statement after they've actually gone over how to construct a thesis statement. So as I said before, you can share it with other teachers. You can embed activities into the video. In the next video, I'm going to show you where you can go and get video content or how to upload your own personal video to give that content for your students.